Today we are asking a simple but brutal question. Is the traditional RDBMS still the right place to store modern applications data, especially when AI is involved? To answer that, we have to go back to the beginning. Relational databases were born out of the hardware realities of the late 1960s and 1970s. Called seminal 1970 paper, a relational model of data for large shared data banks set the foundation. But remember what machines looked like then. Clock speed measured in hundreds of kilohertz to a few megahertz. Main memory measured in tens or hundreds of kilobytes on microcomputers, and disks that held only few megabytes. Magnetic core memory was still common, and DRAM was only just arriving. Quartz model solved the practical problems of that era, organizing data so it could be stored compactly, queried efficiently, and kept consistent under severe resource constraints. RDBMS is an elegant solution for those constraints. Fast forward to today. Hardware is orders of magnitude more capable. Data shapes are widely different, and AI workloads demand new patterns, massive vectors, high dimensional embeddings, near real-time similarity search, and huge unstructured datasets. Those are not the problems RDBMS was designed to solve. Sure, you can bolt vector indexes onto SQL backends, but that's often forcing a square peg into a round hole. A lot of us grew up being taught RDBMS as the one true way. We learned SQL, optimized joins, and took pride in mastering complex query logic. And looking at current day requirements, RDBMS still has major role to play in the world of analytics, where we need to slice and dice the data. But I don't see how RDBMS could be justified for applications OLTP needs. Alternatives, MongoDB, Cassandra, and others have offered different trade-offs, and they are still widely used, but their adoption curve has flattened. Many teams have found operational complexity, licensing shifts, and integration friction. That's the context in which jbloxDB enters the picture, a lean, JSON-based, easy-to-implement alternative that's built for today's need. Is JBlox ready to replace every mission-critical system at a global bank today? No, not yet. But for many application-level workloads, and especially for projects that need simple, modern handling of semi-structured or vector-like data, is a compelling option now, and could be considered at much large scales as it matures. Bottom line, RDBMS solved the right problem for its time. Today's problems are different. When applications and AI converge, consider your assumptions. Pick tools that match the workload instead of picking workloads that fit the tool.